Tonight, we were proud to co-host Coronavirus, a community conversation, which a lot of you watch right here on 10 News. We were working for you, collecting questions all last week for this hour-long special. 10 News reporter Shane Dwyer shares what medical experts from across the region said you can do right now to help prevent the spread of the virus.
It was a historic moment here at the Hotel Roanoke tonight as all the local broadcasters in the Roanoke-Lynchburg area joined together in a show of solidarity to broadcast this program live, both on air and online. It was a way to get your questions answered directly by the experts. Southwest Virginia's top infectious disease experts all gathered in one room Monday night to tackle the problem head on. Staying 6 feet apart, they say our community needs to stop worrying about who does and doesn't have it. Dr. Molly Odell with the Department of Health says the data shows it's all around.
We're seeing more every day patients who we cannot explain how they got COVID, which confirms the sustained community transmission that has been described.
One of the popular topics right now is masks after the call continues to grow for Americans to wear them in public. Dr. Thomas Martin of the Salem VA Medical Center demonstrated how to make a simple one from a bandana and says there's one critical step.
Hand hygiene is critical when you put these on and when you take these off. And here's the difficult thing for most patients or most people out in the community. Once it's on, don't touch it.
It's tough to predict when we'll see our peak numbers of patients, but the experts say hospitals at this point can handle the load. Even better than that, Carillion's Dr. Paul Skolnick says together as a community, we can bring the peak down.
Using social distancing and other techniques to try to keep this region from having the dramatic spread that other places have experienced. And we have our chance now.
The experts all agreed in a perfect world they'd test more people, but that's not the world we're in right now. They say right now you can help save lives by washing your hands often and staying home.
We can make sure that we abide by those two rules, then that is what is going to flatten the curve that everyone talks about.
We still have a lot to learn about this new coronavirus, and the experts that we heard from tonight say we most likely won't know everything there is to know until after this outbreak is over. So for that reason, they urge people to continue to take this seriously. In Roanoke, Shane Dwyer, 10 News, working for you.
Tonight's town hall covered a lot of questions, but we know you may still have a lot more. 10 News will continue to work for you to get those questions answered. You can submit your questions at WSLS.com.